Finding leads for outreach is a grind. You jump between spreadsheets, dig through LinkedIn, use 3 tools just to find a single email, and still end up with half your leads bouncing. It shouldn't be this hard. Scrap.io makes it simple. One platform to find, organize, verify, and export leads that actually work. Let's show you how it all fits together. When you log in, this is your command center. On the left, you'll see your credit usage, plan details, and a button to top up if you need more. In the middle, you've got your 4 most recent lead lists. These are your folders of saved leads. Want to start fresh? Hit Create New List and you're off. The right side gives you quick access to the tools you'll use the most: Lead Search, Email Finder, and LinkedIn Search. There's also a tutorial section at the bottom with step-by-step guides if you want to dive deeper. And up top, you'll find your remaining credits, upgrade options, and account settings. Every lead you save gets stored in a list. On the left, you can browse or search your lists. You can also export everything at once with a single click. At the top of each list, you'll see a snapshot of your lead data, number of leads, email status, and deliverability. From here, you can export to CSV or Excel, transfer leads between lists, or sync to your CRM. Click any row to open a lead card where you'll see all the key info: name, email, company, and more. Need new leads? This is where Scrap gets powerful. Start with lead search, filter by job title, location, industry, headcount, revenue, funding, you name it. You can grab emails one at a time or pull all verified emails from the results and save them to a list. If you want to search by company first, use company search. Filter by size, location, industry, then get emails for people working at those companies. You can also export company results to CSV and Excel files. Simple, scalable, and actually accurate. Already know the person you're targeting? Drop their name and company into the single email finder, and Scrap will find their verified business email. Got a whole list? Use the bulk email finder to upload your contacts and enrich them all in one go. Every time you export leads or lists, they're logged in the Exports tab. No more digging through folders or repeating downloads. You've got a full export history right here. Sometimes you've already got the email, but is it legit? Paste it into the single email verifier to check instantly. Or run an entire list through the bulk email verifier and clean your data before it ever hits your outreach tool. Need to sync your leads with a CRM or push data into your own tools? Head to Integrations. You'll find plug-and-play CRM syncs plus API access if you want to build something custom. That's Scrap.io in a nutshell. No more guessing, no more bouncing between tools. Just accurate leads and emails, organized, verified, and ready to go.